In today's video, I'll show you how to add a custom thumbnail on YouTube Shorts very quickly and easily. First, head over to YouTube and upload it. Add your title, description, and tags. Then proceed to the next step. Set the video to private or schedule it. If you're scheduling, make sure you allow at least 30 minutes before it goes live so you have time to make all the adjustments. After the upload is complete, open the YouTube app on your phone. Go to your profile, tap on your videos, find the video you just uploaded, and tap the three dots next to it. Choose Edit. Then tap the pencil icon to position the rectangle exactly over your custom thumbnail frame. When you're happy with the placement, tap Confirm. Now, go back to YouTube Studio on your desktop. Open your video details, go to the Editor tab, and click Trim and Cut. Trim off the very end of the video, the part where you placed your thumbnail. Be careful not to cut too much, and use the Zoom tool for precise trimming. Once you're done, click Confirm. YouTube will process the edit in about 5 minutes, and that's it. Your video will be trimmed and published with your custom thumbnail perfectly applied. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more effective tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.